Hello everyone, this is Harshita from CAD NEST. So today in this video, let us go through some more shortcut keys. So let's start. Here I have already kept the shortcut keys ready. So let us go through 5 shortcut keys which will make your work easier. So firstly is Control L or T. Control L or T is used to apply a table. So first you can see that I am selecting some cells over here. I am using Control T. So it is asking, you can see a dialog box appear regarding create table. So I am clicking on OK. You can see that there is a table appear. Next is Control Home. Control Home is used to shift the cell from corner or from any part of the table to the beginning. So let me do the table again. Control L. I used Control T last time. I am using Control L now. So you can see that there is a dialog box. I am clicking on OK. You can see I have got a table over here. You can see that my cursor is in G7. I am using Control Home. You can see that my cursor shifted to A1. Now if I give, next is Control End. Control End is used to shift the cursor to the last cell of the table or page. I am using Control End. You can see it shifted to the last cell what we have used. For the first cell you can use Control Home. For the last cell you can use Control End. So you got to know how to use Control Home and Control End. So next shortcut key is Control Grave Essence. So Grave Essence is the key which you find on the side corner on the alpha pad. So you can see that I have put the copy over here. So this symbol is called as Grave Essence. Using Control plus Grave Essence we can get to know the formulas used on the particular cell or on the complete sheet. So firstly let me use some formula. So here I am using a formula. You can see I turned off Grave Essence, so the value has appeared. If I give Control Grave Essence, you can see the formula what I have used. If I turn it off using the same shortcut key, we can turn it off. Next is Control plus apostrophe. So Control plus apostrophe is used like fill down option. I am using Control plus apostrophe. So you can see it is asking me whether to use the same formula over here. If I give enter, same formula will be applied. Control plus apostrophe, you can see that there is a copy of the upper cells. So these are 5 shortcut keys which makes your work easier. For more videos, do subscribe our channel. Hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you.